Our friends at Crafter's Companion have developed this card making kit. It's called a pop and twist. Now you remember it as a twist and pop, but they're calling it pop and twist. There are 288 pieces, but let me show you what's inside. First of all, it's thick. It's got all of these components, and I'm going to show you every single one, but first of all, I want to show you the instructions. So the instructions go step by step, super easy for a very wonderful look. On the back of this, it's going to show you all the die cut pages and how they coordinate. I'm going to show you that too. And we're going to get in close here. Maybe I can just bring it up. And there's the front of a card, and the inside, it pops up and twists as it pops up. There are 4 sections. So we've done some webisodes on the style of card, but it's fun to have a whole kit. And I do want to tell you that the envelopes are also included to make the 25 cards that this kit will allow you to, 24 cards. And by the way, the finished cards are all 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now I'm going to turn this sideways just so that you can really see it on the monitor. And let me see if this works better. So you're going to have 2 die cut sheets for every single card. This becomes the card front, and you can see the die cuts there. This becomes the inside of the card. So this is the mechanism that allows that twist and pop. This is the part that gets accordion folded to go on top of it. It has your greetings in place. And then this is the piece that you might want to put on the front of the card. Remember this one right here? Well, that's the one I'm showing you. So 2 sheets to make every single card, and you are going to get 4 of every single one. So that works out beautifully. That goes into the 24 cards. Here is another one. You've got the barnwood and some daisies on the front. And then on the second sheet, again, you have, this is the part that will do the mechanism to allow it to open. And then this accordion folds on top, and then we've got something else. So let's fill the day with lots of happy moments. I am wishing you all the very best on your special day. By the way, these are double-sided because that's what you're going to need for your card, especially. And let's go here. This is a beautiful happy birthday is what this one says, although you can change your greeting as you wish. Again, here's the inside. And this is a piece that you can put on the front, or you can put the one that says happy birthday, wishing you great happiness and joy that never ends, all for birthday. Again, you're going to get 4 of every single one. Isn't this pretty? Just love the colors. Kind of looks like marble. And then the back side is also printed, so that becomes the inside of your card. And then for the inside of the card, here are the elements that go there. Wishing you sunshine, laughter, and hugs. Very, very nice. Here is another card, and you can see the front of it. You are amazing, just for you. Choose whichever you like. There's the inside of the card. Absolutely lovely. And then here are the areas that do the moving inside. I am very thankful, grateful, and blessed. You are such a blessing in my life. Have a wonderful day. Again, you can use those or pick something else that you like. This is Hugs and Kisses, Sending Warm Wishes. Well, that is a nice ring to it. The inside of the card is right there. And then finally, here is the inside with the mechanism that allows the twist and pop to happen. And these are the images that you will see. So you're going to get 4 of every single one of those. And you get the envelopes. You get the instructions, which are perfect, and you also, here's everything else that you get. So quite a wonderful array of product, and this is a fun card to make. It is an amazing card to receive.